Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we're going to take a break from making Christmas candy and I'm actually going to make some food. Seems like it's been forever since I made food, but that's because I was sick all last month and the only thing I cooked last month was I made a pot of chicken broth with just some boneless, skinless chicken breast and some carrots and celery and onions in it and a lot of chicken broth. And with that, I ate sandwiches. And then when I started feeling better, I didn't feel like cooking, so I just been eating sandwiches. So today I thought I need to eat something solid. So we're going to make oven fried chicken. So come on, let's get started. So what I'm making today is I'm making 2 bone-in skin-on chicken thighs and some chicken wings. So I have my bag of flour and seasonings that I use to coat my chicken in. It's paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and flour, and some cornstarch. That's what's in here. And if I don't use it all, what I do is I just close the bag up and throw it up in the freezer until the next time I make chicken. So the first thing we're going to do is coat our chicken wings. And I'm preheating the oven to 350 degrees. But I thought I would make the chicken, the thighs and wings, so that way I'll have them. And I'm going to make some mashed potatoes and some fire roasted corn. And when I do this, I always put my chicken on a rack with the pan underneath them, so the pan will catch all the drippings and stuff off of the chicken, but the chicken gets crispy. All right, you do what you want to do and I'll do what I want to do and you're going to listen. Just shake your chicken, get it good and coated. Okay, now I'm just going to let these sit here and hang out for about 5 minutes before I put them in the oven. And then I'll put them in the oven. My chicken thighs I will have to bake probably about a half hour to 45 minutes. But my chicken wings, they will definitely get done before the chicken thighs do. So I'm going to close this back up. And since this is all I use it for is raw chicken, I'm just going to throw it up in the freezer and I'll have it the next time. So I will bring you guys back when these come out of the oven. I did forget to tell you guys that I do spray my chicken with some non-stick spray. This helps it crisp up in the oven. And now I'm just going to put my wings in the oven. And my chicken thighs. And I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes so I can take the wings out. And then we'll check the temperature on the thighs because I know they're going to take longer. And while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and peel my potatoes and get them started. I already opened and drained the corn and added some salt and pepper and some butter to that. So all I got to do is turn that one on. So I will bring you guys back when this meal comes together. Okay guys, 45 minutes later, this is what I'm having for dinner tonight. Oven fried chicken, loaded mashed potatoes, and fire roasted corn. The loaded mashed potatoes, I just mashed my potatoes and added some sour cream, some cream cheese with onion and chive, and some bacon. So this is what I'm having. Y'all, I will try the potatoes and the corn, but this chicken, I just took it out of the oven and it is way too hot to try. The mashed potatoes. The mashed potatoes, they remind me of a loaded baked potato. And of course, you can't go wrong with fire roasted corn. Yeah, I can't even touch them chicken wings. So I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. You can become a channel member by hitting that join button down below. If you would like to help support the channel, there is a link to Mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list and our PayPal account in the description box below. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.